Sophia again. So I'm cooking my new breakfast. It's egg, and my mommy is gonna take a vlog of me because guess what? I'm only cooking by myself.
Oh, really? Okay. Oila, good morning, Lola. Namdi si Lola sa kilid.
I'm gonna get the frying pan, guys. Oh, that's so heavy.
Ano na sa pikas?
Okay?
Ana, okay.
And first, I'm gonna on this one.
Yes. Ay, dili pa kakamo. Ako lang, be. Be. Just hold this one. 2 hands. Because it's slidey. Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna put the oil now.
Just wait if the frying pan is hot. Si Sophia. Okay, just put an oil.
Small?
Okay, small. Practice si Sophia ng pagluluto, guys. Just put a bit.
I put it in.
Put a bit oil. Butang isa gamay og oil. Okay. Sige pa. Again. One last. Okay, enough.
And then I'll put my egg. Can you hold this, please?
Okay. Wala ka mo. Nagit ka lang.
Spatula, please.
Ang atong kusgan gamay. Ay sa wait sa kung ang egg nga mahimo siyang hard. Kung maluto. And then just flip it.
I'm wearing a stool, guys, because I'm so short. This is not stick forever. I have to wait.
Just hold the frying pan handle. Okay, flip it. Okay, good. Very good, Sophia.
I cannot flip it well.
Flip it again, the other one.
I cannot flip it. I'm so sorry. Because I make it bigger.
Just hold the frying pan holder. Okay, good.
It's like a burrito.
Flip it again. Be careful kay malagpot na. Wala kay bawo nagyud ka muluto lang. So next time you'll be the one to cook your kuan ha. Sudaan.
Daddy will not be here forever.
Ha?
Daddy will not be here forever.
What you mean?
Daddy.
What you mean by not here forever?
Daddy. Because I just want to cook by myself.
Okay, next time you'll be the one cook our dinner, our breakfast, and our
Come on,
lunch.
guys. It's almost cooking.
Yeah, let me see. Oh, yes.
It's cooking. Give
Just
me a
flip
plate.
the other one.
Give me a plate.
This one.
What?
This one, the
This
little
one?
one. Yes, just flip it.
Wait.
Careful, ha?
Yes. Hi, Mommy Jane. I'm cooking by myself. I'm not scared. Hi, Mommy T. How are you there? And I'm cooking my own lunch. Oh, dinner.
No, it's breakfast.
Breakfast. Hope to see you soon, Mommy T and Mommy Jane. And you're gonna eat my
We're gonna eat
my dinner. My dinner.
my breakfast, egg.
Eggs. All done.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a plate.
Give me a plate, please.
Wait a minute. Here we go, plate. I-off sa ng kuan, gasol.
I cannot off.
You can. Just try it.
How?
Anak, pasaka. Anak, pasaka. Sige na, you can do it. No, again. Reverse. Okay. Thank you. You did it. Wow, Sophia, you did it. Thank you. Hala ka, wow. Okay, get done. Okay, here's Sophia's breakfast. So, ayan, marunong na si Sophia magluto ng kanyang breakfast. Breakfast meals ni Sophia. Ito pala ni Sophia na siya talaga magluluto. So, try natin guys kasi interesado naman siyang magluto ngayon. So, let's go, Sophia.
Mommy, there's a chicken.
Ang manok. Isodyo ka na kuskaha ron. So, transfer the corned beef in a bowl first. Careful, Sophia.
Sophia again. So I'm cooking another dish to my
Breakfast.
So I have to put a little bit of oil. Nani?
Dugangi pagamay.
Nani? First, I'm gonna put the garlic and onions. And now, the corned beef. Wait. Ah!
Oh, careful. Yung pisik na. It's okay. It's part of the kuan. It's part of the chef. It's part of the cooking. Come on. Wala pa na pisik. Gamay ra na. Hindi ka magiging chef kapag hindi ka mapaso. Sige na. Sinamikit ko. Kay.
Mama! Help me!
So rin guys, si Sophia natakot sa talsik guys. So mama will do it. Okay, hold the handle pan be. Okay, good. Yung kamay ni Sophia. Nako, si Sophia nagtitili. Si Sophia, hindi naman yan nakapasok lang, talsik lang naman yan.
Hindi ko oil.
Ayaw mo?
Hindi ko oil. So guys, I'm not scared anymore because there's no more talsik.
No more talsik. Oy, guniti lagi ng handle. Ya, ayo kusga og karaw. Kay mga lagsik ng ato ang sudaan.
It's like a baby.
Is it done?
Not yet. It's almost done.
Ayo usik-usik kay sayang ang sudaan. Almost done or is it done already?
I don't know.
Okay, it's done.
See it by yourself.
It's done already. It's done. It's cooked now. Kumauna gyud ka lang. Okay, transfer to the plate.
Where? I cannot. It's so heavy.
Okay, use this one.
Look at this, guys.
Ihutda na siya og transfer.
Guys.
Kain tayo guys, yung luto ni Yang Yang. Ayan yung luto ni Sophia. Thank you for cooking, Sophia. Yan si Lula. Nasarapan ka la?
Sarap.
Sarap luto ni Yang Yang na.
Masarap. Ang daing masarap.
Ulam namin sa umaga. Itlog ni Sophia na niluto niya, yung scrambled egg, nilagyan niya ng ketchup. ayan, kailangan natin itong takpan guys kasi daming manok.
Ayan, mga manok. Wala nang naog.
Mag-flip yung ating kalan pag hindi natin takpan guys. So, takpan natin ito ng... So, ayan.